how to fix Snapchat calls problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then go to the Snapchat right here. And now all what you have to do on this page is very simple. Click on the permissions and here make sure to enable every single permission. After that, go back, click on force stop and then click on the data usage. Disable the roaming data like this. Click on the storage, click on clear cache, and then all what you want to do is restart your phone. And if the problem is not solved yet, then you have to go to the Play Store, search for Snapchat and update it. And you can do the same thing on the iOS in the App Store. Don't forget to like and subscribe.